Hi everyone, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I want to show you my latest renovation that I'm about to start in Kwinana. So as you can see behind me, it's a beautiful 1967 built house. Being a child of the 60s, I was fairly attracted to this house. Love the stacked stone and a lot of the 60s features. So I'll switch the video around now and a little bit more about the house. Beautiful big frangipani and rose bushes out the front here, which will be pruned up and looking really nice. What we'll do out the front is paint the red brick in a sort of like light grey colour to match the stacked stone with white railing. So it's going to look really nice and fresh when it's done, but the main aim is to keep the retro vibe going on here. The previous owner has painted the jar of floorboards black, so still deciding whether to get all of that sanded back or whether to just work with the black. I haven't quite decided yet. You can see it's a beautiful big lounge room with big windows, letting in a lot of light. It's a fireplace there with a wood cupboard next to it, so we'll be fixing that up, getting rid of the old aircon. Then through here we've got a dining room and kitchen. Unfortunately, I forgot to do the video before we got the kitchen removed. So yeah, it's a smallish kitchen space, but we'll work with it and have a nice modern kitchen in here. What I really also liked about this house is from this dining room, you've got double French doors with the beautiful glass in them out to a little sunroom. The kitchen needs to go out on the verge. Got verge collection next week, so that's always handy. And quite a big area here, which would be a really nice breakfast area. So we'll clean that up and have that looking really nice. Through the kitchen, we've got a really nice big laundry as well. Once again, we've got a lot of our rubbish from the kitchen stacked in here. Big space. So normally probably just have that space there, which we'll put a bench on with the underbench taps and cupboards for the taps for the washing machine and toilet. So I actually really love these retro mosaic tiles and the blue pedestal, but unfortunately they've ripped them up here. So I'm going to have to figure out what sort of retro tile to use in this laundry to make it still tie in. Nice nook there that we can put all sorts of cabinetry or what have you. Beautiful big master bedroom, big windows again, split system aircon. This bathroom to me is gorgeous and I want to keep it as much as possible. So you may agree or disagree, but I'm loving the mosaic tiles. They're in beautiful condition. The blue bath, blue pedestal. The blue tiles probably are a little bit much, but yeah, so I haven't quite decided exactly what to do with this bathroom. We'll definitely get some clear shower screen on here. Probably put white tiles on the wall in here because not such a fan of the flowers in the tiles. And it's got the mosaics in really good condition still. But up here on the roof, you can see the ceiling, really feature ceiling. Want to just paint that white, keep that light shade, which I think looks really cool. Yeah. So haven't quite decided what the best way to go is there. Then down here, what would have been 2 bedrooms is now just one big room. So the plan here is to reinstate some walls so that there's a bedroom off to the left and a bedroom to the right, turning this from a 2-bedroom into a 3-bedroom house. Just going back into the lounge room, the ceiling in here is also a beautiful feature ceiling. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of retro features in here, which I'd really like to keep as much as possible. I'll do a separate video to go out the back because the backyard's really lovely as well. Okay, see you soon.